New Foxley, what you saying?
So happy. Looks fresh.
Boys, this should be a mad one.
On dirty bikes.
How many bikes? 4.
Talaria smoke. Got a few 72 volts. There's only 2 on stock power. A lot of nice bikes. Matt Francis, everyone's favourite YouTuber from the UK. Yeah. We'll head out, hit some trails. So I'll see you on the GoPro.
Alright boys! Gee! That's a lot of deer. Oh dear.
I can't stay anywhere near you boys. I just get rooted.
Yeah.
Oh.
What have you done?
I just threw a bit of mud on your head.
Bro, my whole back's spinning.
At least you're going to get lots of range because when it's spinning there's no load.
Yeah.
There's a massive field up there, so.
I like woods, mate.
We're going to do a hill climb.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a nice hill climb.
I like that.
It's like this, but all the way up to the peak hill.
I like that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Brilliant.
Just sit on the tail. Sit there.
Poison. No, it's not doing nothing.
You're hot, yeah. It's warm, isn't it?
Matt. Oh.
Hey mate, stop it.
Oh, here we go. Alright, not on my back.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, fuck.
Caroline. Ooh, I am the real. I just found a line I need to do. Please move out my way. Sorry. I need to get in the river.
That's crazy. I need to sponsor you.
Bro! You could probably let more air out of them if you wanted. Oh, can you stop now?
That wasn't me, that was it.
So.
We're going to turn it on, yeah?
Yeah. Whoa, that's all right. Are you alright? Is your bike alright?
Don't know about that. A bit sideways right now.
Can I put that in my video? I'm gonna take a run up.
Nice, bro.
Here, let me help. Like this.
I'm glad everyone's doing it.
This is what I have to do all the time when I fall off. Like that. Yeah. And now you just, is your bike on or off? Off.
No, it's not.
Wait.
Yeah. Pretty straight, wait.
It's a bit more.
It's the front wheel as well. See how these move?
You're sticking to the road.
I'm not gonna lie. With these sides. Nah, I'm alright. I quite like it still, but I just don't like I don't my feet. Right. Yeah. That's straight. I know, but then you just bend the bars. Yeah, I've been through so many bars. Yeah. Crash all the time, don't I? Fucking idiot. I had the same thing, I came over here and
it took off. That's fun though. I was behind you three, just don't worry, I'll go gentle. You ready? been a really long day. We've all just got back. I'm gonna not face reveal too many people, but just because they do make content online, but the bikes are absolutely disgusting. This is gonna take a while. Everyone's just having a go on the jumps before they leave. Got new berm, big jump here, berm. It all needs sorting out in summer. It's quite chaotic actually. But yeah guys, that's the end of today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm sure all these boys have enjoyed it. It's been great meeting all these people. It's crazy how YouTube can bring everyone together. But yeah, if you did enjoy today, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below what you think was the funniest moment on the video. I'm pretty sure there was so many funny moments. It'd be hard to choose, but yeah. So thanks for watching everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.